In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace a rear shock in a Ford F-150. So like anything with suspension, we're always going to support. So I'm just going to put a pole jack right underneath the differential to keep the pressure off that shock and spring. We'll raise it up a little bit so we can take that shock bolt out without any tension. So we're going to take the lower shock bolt out and nut, 18mm socket and wrench. So I'm going to use a 19mm socket or a 3/4 inch socket, whatever fits on for you, and get my 1/2 inch gun up there. Here we go. Now I'm going to grab the shock and just pull it out of the bottom bracket and try to bring it up over this e-brake cable. Let's see. Before you ever install a new shock, you want to what we call start it, and that is to compress it all the way down and let it extend all the way back up, and do this 2 or 3 times, and it activates the oils in there so you don't have like an air pocket. Okay, so now we're going to take our top strut and put it right on the mount, slide it over. I use a little bit of a silicone paste, keeps the rubber conditioned for time to come going down the road. So I'm just going to put the flat washer and the nut on the top just to hold it there, and then I'll install the bottom. Just stop it from sliding off. I'm going to put the bolt for the lower shock within reach right here. Now I'm going to compress this shock. I'm going to bring it back up over that e-brake cable. Let it fall down in. Put the nut on. And now I'm just going to snug these and then torque them to the factory spec. 18mm socket and wrench, and we'll just snug it up. And we're going to torque it to 46 foot-pounds. $18mm socket for the top. We're just going to snug it and then torque it. $18mm socket, and we're going to torque this to 46 foot-pounds. Now we can remove our pole jack. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.